आपका ऑल पेपर मटेरियल चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम चैप्टर 1 केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड इक्वेशन क्लास 10 के MCQs करेंगे। First question is, today when Anjali was performing an experiment in the laboratory, she noticed that magnesium ribbon needs to be rubbed before ignition. This has to be done because the correct option is second, the layer of magnesium oxide. Second question is, today Roy studied that in some chemical reactions there is evaluation of heat along with the product, due to which the reaction mixture becomes hot. This type of reaction is named as, the correct option is option 2, exothermic reaction. Ram and his friends were heating 1 gram copper powder in a china dish. They have seen black colored layer on it, which is known as copper oxide. The correct option is oxidation, option first. Fourth question is, Rohit's teacher taught him that hydrogen and oxygen are present in specific ratio in water. The correct option is option A, 1:2. Fifth question is, Renu's mother gifted her silver bangle on her birthday, but after some days a black colored layer formed on it. This layer is, correct option is third, silver sulfide, Ag2S. Rita has bought a packet of chips which are inflated at the top. Which type of gas is filled in such packets? The correct option is third, nitrogen. Arjun's teachers told him that during respiration, the oxygen present in our body cells react with glucose and energy is released. Therefore, respiration is type of chemical reaction. Option number first is correct, exothermic. Question 8 is, Rita went to kitchen for cooking. She picked up a bottle of oil which was in the kitchen since a long time. She noticed some bad odor when she smelled it. The reaction responsible for it. The correct option is third, oxidation. Ram brought some new iron items which were very shiny, but after some time he noticed a layer of brown colored powder on them. This reaction is known as rusting. Tenth question is, today Sunita and Anita are performing an experiment to understand the double displacement reaction between aqueous potassium iodide and aqueous lead nitrate, but they did not find lead nitrate in the laboratory. Which of the following can be used as an alternative to lead nitrate? The correct option is option second, lead acetate. Today Maninder observed the chemical reaction on the charge related to burning of magnesium ribbon, and then he noticed the formula of magnesium oxide in chemical equation of this reaction. Can you tell the chemical formula of magnesium oxide? The correct option is option third, magnesium oxide. Rahul is practicing to balance the chemical equation, but is not able to balance the chemical equation. Rina helped him. Can you tell the correct balance equation among following? The correct option is D. Today Ingoj is reading about different types of chemical reaction. Which type of reaction is given below? CH4 plus 2O2 give rise to CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Heat is released, so this is called exothermic reaction. Question 14. The teacher is explaining the precipitation reaction between solution of sodium sulfate and barium chloride to the students in the laboratory. Can you tell the colors of precipitates of barium sulfate in this reaction? The correct option is option 4, white. White color of precipitates are formed. Question 14. Oxidation and reductions were explained by teacher in science class. Today teacher is asking from Harinder that will happen to any substance if it loses oxygen during reaction. Mention your answer. The correct option is oxidation. Harlas taught that old iron pipe kept in his house, and he read about the rusting of iron in his class. What type of reaction is rusting of iron? Option 2, chemical reaction. Nazma is reading about displacement reaction. Find out the displacement reaction among following reactions. The correct option is A, first option. The teacher is performing and explaining the electrical decomposition reaction of water. Bubbles are formed on cathode and anode. In this reaction, which gas is formed on cathode? On cathode, hydrogen gas is formed, and on anode, oxygen gas is formed. When beam dissolved pelts of NaOH in water, he touched the beaker and found it hot. Can you tell that which type of reaction is responsible for heating of beaker? Beaker becomes hot, so this is called exothermic reaction. Option A. Sikandar was reading about the decomposition reaction. He reads in a question, that's why decomposition reaction is known as opposite of dash reaction. Fill in the blanks with the suitable answer of reaction given below. We know that this decomposition reaction is direct opposite of combination reaction. So option 4 is correct. Thanks to watch this video. Like, comment and subscribe our channel.